So look what I got in the mail today. My new A2Z CCS Combo 1 adapter. They provide a card here. Looks pretty good. So it tells you how to actually use it, both in English and in French, because it's from Canada. And then there's a card, looks like, thanking me for purchasing this, so that's good. And then it looks like it comes in a nice little bag. Yeah, you could put this in your glove box and be protected. It's pretty heavy, pretty solid piece here. And then let's pull it out. Yeah, it looks really good, huh? It's smaller than the Tesla one, actually. So we have the locking pin here, which is into the Tesla, so that locks it into the car. And then there's a locking piece right here that you can see. They're providing a ring that's going to go over top here. It'll stop it from being able to do that. Yeah, it looks really good. Okay, so you can see here I've got the Tesla one on the left-hand side, and I've got the A2Z CCS Combo 1 adapters. You can see they're definitely a different design. They have a different feel of plastic to it. This is kind of like shiny, feels solid. This kind of sounds a little bit lighter. It's got that rough texture to it. They both function exactly the same. The only difference is the Tesla one has this locking pin that pops into here, and that is to keep the button from being pressed. But I did a video just recently, and it showed that I was still able to unplug it, even though it was still locked with this pin on the bottom. So both of those have that same locking pin. This feels really nice. Like I'm impressed. So if you put them side by side, you can definitely see that the A2Z is smaller. So there, you can see that as well. So this would fit in your glove box really well, for sure. Now, the next test is going to be is it capable of the same charge rate as this. So at Electrify America, I've gotten 189 kilowatts on this one here at a low state of charge with a nice warm battery. Actually, at EV Go, at a brand new station in Bellingham, I actually hit 201. So I'll have to give this a shot at my local CCS charger here, but you can see it's A2Z EV.